Hey, how's it going, guys? I just got my Sequoia Sensor in finally. It was a hassle to say the least. TNT Postal Service, shipping it out of Switzerland here. Got held up for about 2 weeks in New York, so I finally get him in today. And I didn't see any unboxings online. There's not too many videos here, so thought I'd do something here. Sorry about the camera here. I don't have anything to mount, but opening it up here, they gave the calibration report. I don't know the full extent of what I'm going to be doing with this. I might be putting this in Pix 4D. I did buy it from Pix 4D, and I know there was about four different places you could get it from. But I went at the 3 months of Pix 4D since I use that for current drone work right now. So came in this. It's like a nice Pelican case. Accessories included. Slide this off here. Tight squeeze. Very nice. Real rugged feeling. Nice rubber handle here. And it's glad it's kind of in a box like this because it was loosely fit in here and it was just kind of bouncing around. Let's see what we got here. Calibration target. Hey, look at this. These are the other companies you could order the sensor through too and get free time with them, but I figured I wouldn't get any of these going through Pix 4D. So it looks like I get $200 worth of maps there. 3 months here. This is the one I want to use too. It looks like on top of the 3 months of the AG Pix 4D mapper I get another free month here. Awesome. Then you know the upgrade beforehand. There she is. Looks like very small. It's the size of my thumb compared to it. What do we got here? User guide, very thick. All kinds of languages. Quick start guide. Over here. Nice microfiber cloth. All kinds of goodies in here. Looks like we got a lens cover. That'll be good for on there. Protect those lenses. 32 gigabyte card. Everything's nicely packed in here. Nice dense foam. It's like attachment pieces that you can do. Here. Some USBs. Attach the two sensors together. Very tight in here. And this probably goes to the battery. And hooking to the sensor as well to power both units. Let's see. Oh man, this thing is tiny. So connector, got your SD. Sunshine sensor. Can't believe how small this is. It's amazing. Huh. A little offset there from the center. Odd. Connectors. Side. Wow. Good deal. Well, I'm definitely going to be trying this out in the next few days here. Look for some kind of test video here. Stay tuned.